In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Airbnb promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple and let's jump right into it. First of all, open your web browser and search for Airbnb promo code. Right here we have this website which is couponfollow.com. And as you can see right here, we have a list with different promo codes that we can use in order to get some discount. So for example, if you want to save 30% of your next reservation, all you have to do is select your coupon code and use this discount code in order to get your discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, if you scroll down a little bit, you should be able to find this one right here, another website, which is share.co.uk, sorry. And as you can see right here, we have another list with different type of promo codes. And for example, if I want to get a free rebook right here, all I have to do is get discount, and this will redirect me to the Airbnb website where the discount will be automatically applied. So this is all for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.